This shit high, boy.
Shawty catch a vibe, yeah, I had to put her on. Bought her two.
And I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. Your girl is a bun of me. She is. But anyways, how y'all doing? What's up? How y'all doing? Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. You know. Anyways, today's video I'm going to be on Monkey, and hopefully it's nothing too crazy on there, because then I'm gonna have to. And I don't want to do that. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So send this video to your mammy, your daddy, your auntie. Just send it, bro. Don't be Dayru. Don't be Dayru. Fucking bitch. They just give for me.
I can't really explain it. I'm so into you.
Oh, you
I
hit this
really
shit.
like.
Hello?
What's up?
Why was you
Hello?
breathing that hard?
No, I wasn't breathing hard. That was your celebrity Chris. That was
Huh?
breathing hard. That was your celebrity Chris was breathing hard. Well, you can breathe no more because you kind of did. What you doing though?
Nothing. Just chilling. Bored.
Better be chilling.
Yeah, what you doing?
Better be chilling.
I better.
Yeah, you better be chilling.
What you gonna do if I wasn't?
Choke you and beat you up.
Beat me up. How old are you?
Hit you with a bottle. Yeah.
You so
Okay, come on.
violent.
We'll do what I say.
You so violent.
We'll do what I say then. You so
Okay.
friendly.
Okay.
Huh?
I said, okay. What are you talking about? How old are you?
18. Who you getting hostile at?
I'm getting hostile with you. You get
No,
hostile
you not.
with me.
Shut
Yes,
up.
I am.
No, you not.
Yes, I am.
No, you
What
not.
you gonna
Get
do?
hostile with your celebrity crush. Don't do it no more. I'll bite your nose. I'll shut up.
You know, I was like, kid, this slap me in all
Are you
night. My
throwing up
wrist
gang signs?
froze. I'm going on a what?
I'm not affiliated. I gotta get them.
Jesus Christ.
Hello?
Oh shit, Jazz.
Shit.
You are fucking beautiful. That's what I mean. Yeah, I'm in love. Like your forehead makes you so sexy.
My forehead?
Yes.
My forehead is crazy.
I don't give a fuck. That shit got me crazy in love with you.
Because I got the beam.
Mm-hmm.
Because my forehead is Metro Boomin.
I love that about you.
Amsterdam?
Yeah, I
Where's
was
that?
just
Like
about to get
Europe?
to it. Though, that's in New York.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a small ass town.
I'm from New York too, but I'm from the
You
city.
from the Philly.
No, I'm from New York. I'm not from Philly. I just go to school here.
Oh shit. You in college?
Yes.
I fucks with that.
Thank you.
Shake some ass for the college.
No. Disrespectful. Everything was good. It was vibe. Got disrespectful.
Damn, how the fuck? I'm sorry.
Put the blank down, Jimmy. Put it down.
Get your dumb ass up.
Yo.
Rate me 1 to 10.
Because I can't even see your face, and I'm not ready. And it be what it be. Send me her phone like send me your pic.
First me. He got to the small man. Yo, you are sexy.
Down.
You're beautiful.
I'm gonna call her Thanks, dude.
Are you a girl? Are you a girl?
Huh?
Are you a girl?
Yes, I'm a girl.
Yeah, you're beautiful, you know.
Thank you. Because I don't know where that was going. I don't trust it. Hello?
Jasmine,
Yes.
what's good, little bro?
Ain't nothing, little bro. What's up?
That sweater fire.
Thank you.
But your bitch ain't.
I don't have a bitch.
You got a boyfriend?
No.
Shit, you ain't got nobody to slut you out.
No.
Damn, man, that's fucked up, bro.
You from Buffalo? Upstate?
Yeah, where you from?
Brooklyn?
Brooklyn. We poppin', nigga. Fuck Brooklyn.
Fuck Buffalo, nigga.
Brooklyn,
Fuck Buffalo.
Brooklyn, a pile of shit.
Buffalo can suck my dick. That's why I always cold up there. Rape my mom. I don't want to see no penis. Please, no. Mm-mm. I'm scared because why he started smiling? Why you started smiling?
Started off as close, man.
Sometimes you turn into my girlfriend. Big baby. Hello. I don't know where that was going. Skipping. Immediately. Hello. Okay. It just be so long on here. Hello.
How's it going?
What?
How's it going?
Oh, it's going good. How's it going, bro?
I'm doing good. I'm trying to find a nice topic to really talk about, from women to men, Like, let's talk. We have people that's watching and just
Mm-hmm.
talk about some things,
What you want to talk about?
Well, this world, first of all,
Mm-hmm.
it's changing.
Yeah, man. It's
Like,
changing. It's horrible. Things are normalized that shouldn't be normalized.
yes,
And internet, the social media has a thing to do with that.
it has, it has. The world is on it every single day. And for everybody out there, you have to escape your mind.
Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. But that was actually an okay conversation.
Bro, I'm not jacking them if they ain't talking to me nice. Yo, talk to me nice.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How old are you?
I'm 19. Why
Too
you make
old.
that face?
Tell I'm 17. You old. 2 years off.
She love me. She love me. Love she love me.
Hello.
What up?
Nothing. Where's Okalala at?
I don't know where that's at. Look, go on Instagram and you gonna see where it's at.
Huh?
Go on Instagram and you gonna see where it's at.
Go on Instagram. Let's see. Let's take a little trip to Instagram.
Only the number one DEOR. That's where you find it at. And then
You
you gonna
trying to
see
be
where it's
Instagram
at.
only?
The number one.
Okay, then put one. Okay.
Yeah. And then DEOR.
DEOR.
Yeah.
Only Dior.
Only one Dior. You forgot the
Only
one?
one Dior. You ain't got no picture up here.
Yeah, I do.
This you?
Yeah.
I follow. Follow me back. Don't
Yeah.
be day room.
Dayroom, you not from New York.
I
Stop
am
saying
from New
Dayroom.
York, bro. I'm from New York.
Alright, well,
Follow me back. Don't be weird.
I got you. Yeah.
Yeah, oh bitch. He know I could still unfollow his dumb ass, right?
Nigga got dick for brains, his dumb ass. Not you.
Oh.
You like 42 Doug, I ain't gonna lie.
You said I look like a man? I
Now
look
you
like
look.
a man?
Hey! Calm the fuck down, nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? ESTG?
I don't even know who that is.
I mean, look at that face.
No. Where you
Like,
at work right now? Is
I mean,
them real bags?
no.
They foo-foo?
Yeah.
Can I get that one right there behind you? And you cut your camera off because they foo-foo?
No, I'm talking about camera because I was trying to see the time.
But can I get
Fake
that
ass bitch.
Well,
You better
wait, nigga, I'm trying to buy the bag.
flop a titty in my camera.
I could never do.
Do you notice me? Do you know?
Yo,
What's
hello.
good?
What's good? What you up to?
Nothing, just sitting on here. People are weird on this app, man. I just seen a dick.
I don't do that. So don't.
What?
What's up?
Nothing. Chilling. What's up
That's
with you,
great.
man?
All right. May I ask you something?
I'm scared. What? What is it? What is it?
Well, maybe it's kind of scary.
Wait a minute. What do you want to ask?
What?
What are you trying to ask me? Why is it scary?
Just a warning.
Oh no. I take my warnings and I run. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. First off, English is not my first language, so it's just bad.
It's fine.
Okay. I'm glad you're talking to me. Everyone is keeping me.
Yeah, everybody on here is weird.
Yes, indeed.
Okay, I they gotta keep going because I don't know what I'm talking about. Grim? The Grim
No.
Reaper on this thing? Hello?
Hell yeah, with a grill, and that's the grill, and I'm the Reaper.
Oh, it's like a sloth from Ice Age.
Yo, good with you?
Nothing. What's up?
I'm chilling. Who you with right now?
Nobody.
You fine as fuck.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Shit, add me as a friend.
Sure. He reported me.
This shit will never change. This shit gon' stay the same. How them niggas was speaking from jail, and now I'm speaking from hell. Why them niggas I'm holding, give them the pressure phone and speaking to 12. When you at to go on your track.
Why do guys be flexing money?
Was he from Philly?
No.
You're not from Philly?
No, I'm from New York.
Same difference. Anyways.
Same difference, same niggas.
He said same niggas. I'm dead as fuck.
Where's Fayetteville at?
Down. I said down.
Girl!
I've been North Carolina. I'm sweet.
Oh, you're from North Carolina? Damn, I haven't been there in a minute.
I'm dead as fuck.
Big NC in the building.
That nigga over there eating fat ass glizzy.
You gay as fuck. Nah, bro, that's only on the weekends.
Okay. The nigga said that's only on the weekends. Hello? Fuck you, Mary. This nigga said that's only on the weekends. How long have I been recording?
Let me see how long your tongue is.
Why?
Because it's going to get me hard.